Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. You ever give money yet? Cause somebody did force you to get? You think it right? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends them. And if you don't do it yet now, the best time for click the subscribe button and the notification bell too. For make sure say you don't miss none of what I go on right here so 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from Paul's second letter to the Corinthians, them, chapter 9, from verse 1 to verse 5. So now, me know say, me never have a right to know about the sitting them when I gather up for send God Judea, for the Jew them we start believe in a Christ Jesus. Me not have a right to know cause me know say no well want for help. Me all boast about to God people where they in Macedonia. Me tell them over last year, the whole of in Akaya ready for help. And cause ready for help, it make them well want for help too. So, me a send Titus and the two brother them too now, cause me want to make sure say ready. Just like me say. That way there, people will know, say all of the sitting them when me say about are true. And I not just chat, me a chat. I want to make sure say ready. Cause if some people from Macedonia come with me, and when we reach there, not ready, a shame me would and shame. Would have more than shame. More than shame, cause me did a boast about how ready. And that make me did think it's important for we brother them come see before me come down there. Push them figure early so that then could make sure say all of the sitting them where the promise figure get up and put on. Cause if everything get up and ready when we reach there, it will sure say I give really want figure. It will sure say nobody now force to do nothing. A God Word This. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.